Commodore Marecki, good to see you.
Mr. Historian, good to see you too.
Right. You are the youngest Commodore Chicago Yacht Club has ever had in 141 years.
That's
So,
what you tell me.
That's right. You got to trust me.
That's why you're the historian.
Right. Well, you started sailing in Jackson Park Harbor. Your father was Commodore of Jackson Park.
Mhm.
And you grew up on the boat and sailed with your mom and pop on Max. How many?
I have just finished my 31st MAC race.
So you started, what, 10 years old?
Let's see, I started when I was 13.
Okay, right.
So if you do the math, you can figure out how old I am.
Well, you joined Chicago here when you were 16 years old, is
Uh-huh.
that correct? And so you, as I recall, had a very good sponsor in Michael Roach.
She was the best.
She got him into race committee and into junior sailing. And did you ever do the Rainbow Fleet?
I never did the Rainbow Fleet, but I remember one of my first experiences with Chicago Yacht Club was I was 6 years old, and I was doing a race committee of the Pierhead Finish in St. Joe with the Chicago Yacht Club race committee. And so that was the first time I ever met Michael. And so that was the first time that we had interacted, and I guess I did a pretty good job because she asked me back.
Right. And now the other important thing with you and your father and the boat, you won 3 Mackinacs, right?
Yeah, that's true. In 2012, 2013, and 2014.
And there are other boats that have won that many, but not recently. So that's quite a feat because all the technology and stuff today is really high tech.
Well, you need a lot of luck too
Good luck, you're right.
to win those races.
So what are you planning on doing after being Commodore? Do you have something lined up for yourself?
You know, everybody asks me that. I haven't really given it a lot of thought. One of the things I'm going to certainly try to do is to work very closely with incoming Commodore Sigmund and his team and offer whatever help I can. But I think those guys are going to do a fantastic job for us.
Yeah, you've got some good people lined up.
They're fantastic.
One of your biggest things you've done in the club is redo the Mac Bar. Yeah, it was quite a project.
Yeah, that took about 2 years. When I became Vice Commodore, one of the first things we started doing was working on the Mac Bar project, and it took about 2.5 years. And fortunately, it was built right just about on budget, and it took about 3 weeks longer than we hoped, but it opened pretty early in the season, so that was great.
Well, I want to congratulate you on your 2 years that you've been Commodore, and also the club's financial condition is pretty good.
We're doing well. We're doing well. A lot of great members. We've got a fantastic finance committee, and our treasurer, Nick Berberian, they've been doing a great job.
Uh-huh.
And our management team is doing an absolutely spectacular job as well. So we're very lucky. We've got a fantastic group of members and staff that are making things happen.
Well, we're glad to have you as Commodore, and thank you for the interview.
Thanks for having me, Fred.
Okay.